Ducks are water-loving birds with webbed feet. They quack and enjoy paddling in ponds, lakes, and streams. Eagles are majestic birds of prey with keen eyesight. They soar high in the sky and build large nests in tall trees or on cliffs. Flamingos are tall pink birds with long legs and a distinctive curved beak. They wade in shallow waters and use their beaks to filter out tiny food particles. Kingfishers are colorful birds found near water bodies. They have a sharp beak and dive into the water to catch fish with great speed. Owls are nocturnal birds known for their hooting sounds. With large eyes adapted for night vision, they hunt small prey silently in the dark. Parrots are vibrant talking birds that can mimic human speech. They have colorful feathers and a strong beak for cracking nuts and seeds. Peacocks are known for their stunning feathers, especially their vibrant, fan shaped tail. Their dance is a powerful display of color and beauty. Penguins are flightless, black and white birds. They live both on land and sea and are expert divers. To travel over ice and snow, they sometimes slide on their belly. The robin is a common songbird found throughout North America. Its distinctive orange red breast and cheerful song make it a familiar sight in gardens and parks. Sparrows are small, brownish gray birds that are found all over the world. They are mainly seen in cities near human settlements.